Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I am in Vegas, as you can see in the thumbnail, and I did a little bit of damage at Chanel. So if you want to check out what I picked up from Chanel, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love putting together these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely keep watching. Check out my other videos, and please consider hitting that little subscribe button below as well. If you are returning, thanks so much for coming back. All right, guys, so I'm here in a hotel. As you can see, I realize it's a little weird because this lamp's right above my head. But we are just going with it because I love doing unboxings when I'm on vacation. It just gives me such great memories when I watch these videos back later, and I can really remember where I picked up all of my beautiful items. So as I mentioned briefly, I'm currently in Vegas. I'm staying at the Waldorf, which we often love to stay at just because there's no casino. It's located in a pretty good location, especially because it's right next to the Crystals Mall, where I picked this up from Chanel. So I just love staying here. This room is beautiful. There's a really nice view outside this window, and we're just having a really nice time. We're here because I had a little bit of a work trip in Colorado, and then on the way back, I decided, hey, rather than just flying back, let's stop by in Vegas. So my husband came along with me. I did my work yesterday, and then we stopped over in Vegas, really just for today, and then we're gonna head back tomorrow. As you will see, I went to go see Madonna last night at the T-Mobile Center, and it was amazing. I loved her. And yeah, here's my little souvenir t-shirt. I will have another follow-up Chanel unboxing in case you're curious, where I will share with you a brand new splurge bag that I decided to treat myself to. And I'm also gonna share with you a little bit more about this trip. So let's just get on into this quick unboxing. This is going to be really quick, but I wanted to just share this in a separate video because I often like to do brand new luxury handbag purchases in separate videos because I spend a little more time on them. So I'm just going to do this little quick one here and tell you about it and do a couple of mod shots. So of course it comes in this bag. Again, I picked this up at the Crystals Mall here right next door to our hotel. I love shopping there, and let's see, the camellia fell off, but there it is. And here is the beautiful item that I got. So you can probably tell what this is by the shape of the box, but I can't believe I haven't added this yet to my collection. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I decided to pick up. Sometimes this particular version is a little hard to get. So I love shopping in Vegas exactly for that reason, because their selection tends to be a lot better than you can find in most other places, honestly. So I always love stopping by Chanel here. And I will share with you guys my two dust bags. So obviously it's a pair of shoes. If you know me, you know I love classics. You probably can guess what this is, but I will share with you my beautiful new Chanel ballet flats. So you can't get any more classic than this, in my opinion. I'm just fixing the leather bow there a little bit, but here's what they look like. So I love these. I mean, no doubt you've seen these before. I don't know exactly what they're called. I think they're just called ballet flats. And I got this in the beige and black combination, the classic, I would say, combo. And this is made out of lambskin. So here's what they look like. I've wanted these for so long. A lot of you probably would say that they're out of style. I get that. This has been around for a long time. But in my opinion, these are so classic. I think ballet flats are still very trendy now. So I finally got my hands on these. They had so many different colors to choose from too, but I'm a neutral classic girl, especially when it comes to luxury items. So I went for the basic beige and black. But the leather is so soft. Here are some details up close. So hopefully you can see there's a beautiful little CC stitching there on the cap toe, the bow detail, and then the insole, which is, I don't believe, very well padded, but these are pretty comfortable, and it's a classic ballet flat, but there is a little heel here. So these are really pretty, made in Italy. I got them in a size 37, which for me is true to size. I'm usually always 37 in luxury shoes. I tried on a different version of these just for size comparisons. It was a black one with a little different material. I don't think it was lambskin. And the 37 was a little bit tight in terms of length, and the sales associate said that these don't really stretch out much. If anything, they may stretch out widthwise with wear, but not lengthwise. And it really was lengthwise that I felt a little tight on those other pair of ballet flats. So she brought these out in both 37 and 37.5. And for this version, it was true to size. So I really highly recommend trying these on if you have your eye on these, because it really depended on which particular flats I was trying. But I went with 37, my true size. So I'm so excited. I may try to put a little bit of a sole protector here just to let them wear a little better, but I am going to get a lot of use out of this. So let me go ahead and share with you guys a few mod shots. Okay guys, so here are a couple of makeshift mod shots in my hotel room. So here's what they look like on. I think these are so beautiful and classic. They actually are very comfortable, and again, I'm so glad I went with true to size. These fit perfectly in a size 37 for me. Here's what they look like on. And again, I know these are going to be comfortable, especially because they're leather. I think they're going to wear really well. So I just have them on here with leggings, which I wouldn't wear them with normally, but for the sake of this video, we're just going with it. But yeah, these are my beautiful new Chanel ballet flats. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was my really quick Chanel unboxing here from Vegas. I love these little guys. I probably am going to start adding more colors if I enjoy wearing them, which I'm afraid I probably will. But this is my first score here in Vegas. Stay tuned for my upcoming video, which I will shoot next. And I'm going to share with you a brand new Chanel bag unboxing. Chanel bag unboxings are pretty rare for me these days, so I cannot believe I got the one that I picked up. So stay tuned for that one. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now.